In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CC and BCC recipients in Mail Merge from Gmail. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Once you are in your inbox, click the Compose button to create a new email. This opens the message window where you will set up your mail merge. Next, look at the top right area of the To line. You will see an option called Use Mail Merge. Click that and then check the box to enable Mail Merge. Turning this on is important because it allows you to send a personalized message to multiple people while still using Gmail. Now you can add copy recipients. On the right side of the To line, click CC if you want someone to receive a visible copy of the message, or click BCC if you want someone to receive a hidden copy. After you click CC or BCC, type the email address you want to include. Use CC when recipients can see who else was copied, and use BCC when you want privacy for those copied addresses. After that, you will add the main recipients for your mail merge. You can either click Add from Spreadsheet to pull recipient information from a connected spreadsheet, or you can type your primary recipients directly into the To field. If you are using a spreadsheet, make sure your sheet is organized with clear columns for things like first name and email, so merge tags can match the right data. Once your recipients are set, write your email message as usual. To personalize it, use the @ symbol to insert merge tags. For example, you can type @ and then choose a field like first name to greet each person individually. As you write, keep your subject line and message clear and consistent, since Mail Merge will send similar content to everyone, only swapping in the personalized fields. When everything looks correct, take a moment to review your To, CC, and BCC fields, and scan your message for the merge tags you added. That covers everything you need to know.